Sebelum nonton, klik subscribe, like, dan share, juga bunyikan loncengnya ya.
Hello boys and girls, welcome to Storytime by Vision Kids. Sleeping Beauty. A king and queen had a beautiful child. Her face was pretty and her temper was mild. They called on the land's good fairies to come and cast magic spells on their little one. But sadly, a bad fairy turned up as well and cast a curse with a terrible yell. You'll die from the prick of a spinning wheel. Your finger will swell, never to heal. A good fairy heard this horrible shout and cast a new spell as the bad one rushed out. The princess won't die. Don't have any fears. Instead, she will sleep for 100 years. Spinning wheels were banned from the entire land, so that no harm could come to the princess's hand. But on the very day that she turned 16, she spotted something she'd never seen. She stretched out her hand to see how it would feel, and pricked her finger on the spinning wheel. The good fairy saw the poor princess fall and made her a bed in the castle's grand hall. The fairy then cast a magical charm so the whole kingdom would sleep and safe from harm. A forest of thrones grew all around, and for years the palace made no sound. One glorious day, along came a lord who cut down the thrones with his mighty sword. He found the princess and kissed her pink cheek. So the people woke up and partied all week. Once more, the palace was filled with laughter, and they all lived happily ever after. The end. Thank you for listening to our. See you on the next story time.